Assalamualaikum everybody. So it's Jenna G, that's me, the Hijabi from TNT, and welcome back to my channel. Now I am very certain that many of you out there, like myself included, always looking at your pocket. You want to know where your money going. You want to be sure that you're taking full advantage of all these specials and deals that we have going on in all the stores and the supermarkets. Now I've got some great news for you. Each month there are specials on various items at XTRA Foods here in Trinidad, conveniently located in Arima, Grand Bazaar, Endeavour, and of course Shogunas Main Road. Each month these items change up. There are different items that are on special for you to take advantage of, and I know that you don't want to miss out on these deals at all. So for today's video, we're actually going to be using a couple of the items that are on special for August to put together a delicious Trini local dish. But before we go any further, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you keep updated with all my videos, and don't forget to hit the notification button as well so that you get notified every time I post a video, because you don't want to miss out on these fun videos we are going to be doing together. So if you guessed from my short little intro video there that we're going to be doing pilau today, you are absolutely correct, and we cannot do pilau without a coleslaw, right? That is not possible. We can't eat pilau without coleslaw, potato salad, or macaroni salad. So for those two dishes, we are going to be using items that are on special at XTRA Foods. For the pilau, we're going to be using this Eve's dried pigeon peas. Of course, pilau is not the same without this, and this is on special right now at all the branches. You can get them. And we're going to be using, of course, mayo, the 28-ounce Swiss mayo in our coleslaw. So these items are on special. Be sure you go check them out at any of the branches across Trinidad. And stay tuned until the end of the video. I will list all the other items that you can actually pick up at XTRA Foods that are on special for this month of August. So let's get into this pilau and coleslaw making video. Alright, so we're starting off our pilau first of all with our chicken, because we want to season it and set it aside to marinate for about an hour before we actually put together the pilau dish. So we're going to be adding our green seasoning, followed by some all-purpose seasoning, and then we add in some paprika to this as well. I'm going to mix everything up. Alright, so I'm just going to put this aside, put this in the refrigerator for about an hour or so, and while this is actually marinating, we are going to work on our coleslaw. So next for my coleslaw, I have one whole cabbage here that I am going to be using half of this, and I have a carrot. I'm going to be using half of this as well. A food processor to me is so convenient to have in your kitchen. Usually what I would have done is use a grater and grate the cabbage and the carrots, but these food processors make things a lot easier. So I'm going to put cabbage and carrots into the food processor, pulse it for a few times, and we're going to put our mayo and everything else in it. So I'm just going to cut it to make it easier and less noisy, and it's just so that it wouldn't spoil my processor. And I'm taking half of this. I'm going to cut it up. Oh, I hit more than pulse. I put it on the lowest speed as well. That's what it's going to look like. Okay, so I've emptied my chopped up cabbage and carrot into a bowl, and I'm going to be adding some brown sugar, some salt, and black pepper. Throw in a pinch of garlic powder, and of course our Swiss mayo, and all we're going to be doing is mixing this up. So we're going to put this in the fridge, let it chill. We cannot eat pilau without a coleslaw. So we're going to let it sit while our chicken is also marinating. So by the time our pilau is finished, we could enjoy it with some nice chilled coleslaw. Alright guys, so now we're at the fun part. We're going to put together everything. Got my chicken all marinated in there. I've got my chopped onions, some carrots, coconut milk of course, my rice, brown sugar, and we cannot forget our dried pigeon peas. This item is actually one of the items on special at XTRA Foods for the month of August, so be sure to pick up yours today. So we have our oil heating in our pot. I'm going to add my sugar. We're waiting until it starts to bubble. Just be careful, don't get burnt please. Add in my ketchup. Coat everything nicely. I'm going to let this cover just for a minute, and then we're going to add everything else. Alright, so to this we're going to add our rice. Turn up everything so everything will get nice and coated. And we add in our carrots, our onions, our coconut milk, raising the heat on this, and of course we have to add our pigeon peas. So we're going to cover this down, let it cook. If you have a pepper, now would be the time to put it in. Put it in, let it steam, cover it down, and let everything come together. So it's about 10 minutes in. Just check it. I just added some more water. Just remember, you might need to add some more water, you know, as you're going along with it. So I'm adding my golden ray butter, and I'm also going to add a little more green seasoning, just about a tablespoon, just to get more flavors infused into this pilau. Now there's a lot of debate on if pilau is supposed to be dry and grainy or wet. I prefer mine more on the wet side, so the amount of water that you will have to keep putting in it will be dependent on, you know, how you like your pilau. I enjoy mine wet, so I'm going to let it cook down until it's that nice consistency that I want. Alright guys, so this is what our pilau looks like. Now it's just about finished, and if you like pilau wet like I do, this is what you want it to be looking like. So I'm going to cover it. Stove is off. I'm going to cover it for just about 10 minutes and let it come together, you know, let it just finish off nicely. And who doesn't love a good Trini style pilau, and of course coleslaw to go along with it. So just a few things to note. Pilau is a very popular local dish here. So there are many different ways to make pilau. If you speak to any two people, you will not hear the exact same recipe or method. If you go online, you will not see the exact recipe or the same method. There are some ingredients that all pilau is supposed to have, which would be the coconut milk, of course, our rice, pigeon peas, of course. Some people actually make a vegetarian style pilau as well. So this was my version of it. I know a lot of people like to add pumpkin and celery to it. If you have them, you can feel free, go ahead and add them to your pot if you enjoy celery and pumpkin. So I'm just going to dish out some of this lovely smelling pilau, and we're going to put some coleslaw with it. Oh gosh, my mouth is absolutely watering. Check it out. Alright guys, so that's all I have for you today. We use the items that are on special for this month. Two of the items that are on special this month at XTRA Foods. We used our mayo in the coleslaw, and we used dried pigeon peas in our pilau. Now you can pick those items up at any of the branches, any of the locations of XTRA Foods, of course, and look out for the listing that I will be posting to the end of the video with all the other items that are on special as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share it to all your friends and your family, and look out for so much more videos to come. Some good pilau here.